Hello guys, welcome back to app tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you log in your Discord account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application, and after opening the Discord, simply tap to this login button. After tapping into login, you will see this page. Now, into this page, you just simply have to enter either your email address or phone number. Just simply enter the email address or phone number, and after that, enter your password. Now, after entering your email address and your password, you just simply have to tap to this login button. Tap into that login option, and after doing this much, your Discord account will successfully be logged in. This way, you can very easily log into your Discord account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.